Hey guys, Nate from Meninfluencer, and in this video I want to talk about winter essentials for men. So currently in the UK it's getting quite cold outside, so I was thinking why not make a winter essential video and help you guys out. So before I actually start with this video, I saw that over 90% of you guys that are currently watching these videos aren't even subscribed yet. So if you're someone that's actually interested when it comes to the men's lifestyle niche, men's style, fashion, grooming, please consider to hit the subscribe button down below because I'm trying to reach 10k subscribers, and if you actually don't appreciate the content, you can always unsubscribe. So anyways, with that said, let's jump into the video. Number 1, coat. So when it comes to winter essentials, coats are one of the most fundamental yet very sophisticated items that you can obtain. So if you're someone that doesn't have a coat yet, this is currently where your style level is. Once you actually buy one, this is where it goes. And I'm telling you, it's actually very true. If you buy yourself a coat, it will actually make you look so much more stylish, and it's probably one of the best winter essential investments that you can make. And the reason for this is that if you obtain a coat, once you actually start to wear it, you'll instantly notice that people will actually respect you more, and you can simply command more respect. And the great thing about this is though, that if you're someone that's simply wearing it and isn't particularly wearing anything special at all, just a coat, this will also instantly make you look so much more stylish without even putting so much effort into it. Number 2, turtleneck. So what goes great with a coat? Obviously a turtleneck. And the reason for this is that if you wear a turtleneck, it gives you that elegant and sophisticated look. So if you actually wear a turtleneck with a coat, this will instantly make you look so much more stylish. You've got so many options out there. So obviously feel free to use whatever color you want to make it match with your personality. But if you're someone that is a bit unsure and wants to actually be on the safe side, if you're gonna wear black, you'll obviously look a bit more leaner, but if you're gonna wear white, you'll look a bit more buffer. So those are probably the most safest options, and choose the one that will actually make you feel better. Number 3, Chelsea boots. So what goes great with a coat or a turtleneck? Obviously Chelsea boots, and the reason for this is the combination of it. But obviously when you're gonna do this, make sure your coat actually matches with your Chelsea boots. However, by getting yourself Chelsea boots with the color grey, black or brown, you'll be on the safe side, and you can mix and match with your coats and your turtlenecks to still look very elegant and stylish. Number 4, Suede Jacket. So imagine this, you get yourself Chelsea boots, you get yourself a turtleneck, but instead of actually getting yourself a coat, you get yourself a Suede Jacket. How will you look like? Well, most likely like this, so click off the video. All joking aside, so if you actually get yourself a Suede Jacket, you can actually use it as an alternative to the coat and still look very elegant and very stylish in the winter months. So when it comes to a Suede Jacket, you got two options. You can get yourself a fake Suede Jacket, or you can get a real one. To be honest, in my opinion, it's better to get a real one because it's more sustainable for the environment, and at the same time, it will most likely outperform this fake one in price, and over time, it will actually only look much better. And that's the great thing about Suede Jackets, because if you actually wear a Suede Jacket, over time, once you wear it more and more, it will only look better. While if you actually get yourself a fake Suede Jacket, obviously over time, it will only get worse and worse. So that's why, in my opinion, a Suede Jacket is a winter essential. Number 5, bomber jacket. So obviously, so far I've only mentioned quite elegant and sophisticated items, but what about those individuals that don't really care about it, but obviously still want to look stylish? Well, this is probably one of the best options you can get yourself when it comes to the winter essentials. And obviously when it comes to bomber jacket, there are so many options and variables. It just simply depends on the kind of bomber jacket you get yourself. Because obviously if you get yourself a very great one, you'll look so much more stylish. While on the other hand, if you get yourself a cheap and poor one, most likely you won't actually look that good. But luckily for you, in one of my upcoming videos, I'm actually gonna unbox one of the best bomber jackets out there. And to be quite honest, it's gonna be a brand that actually originally made the bomber jacket. And therefore, I'm actually really excited to unbox it. And if you're someone that actually is truly interested in it, make sure you put your notifications on, because that way you won't miss it. Number 6, cable knit. So this is probably one of those options. You either like it or you hate it. And for me, I actually like it quite a lot, because I just find the patterns quite aesthetically pleasing. And at the same time, this will definitely keep you warm. And another thing when it comes to the cable knit is that some people don't like to wear a turtleneck. So instead of wearing that, you can wear a cable knit and obviously still look very elegant and very stylish. And additionally, one of the even better things about it compared to the turtleneck is that you can probably explore more colors without actually ruining your outfit. And therefore it's no problem to, for example, wear the color green or wear the color red, because this will most likely suit with the rest of your outfit. Number 7, leather gloves. So this is one of those minimalistic pieces that a lot of individuals actually love with their winter outfits. But if you're someone that actually is going to get themselves some winter gloves, make sure you get the advanced technology one, which will actually allow you to use your smartphone, because obviously, most likely, you're going to wear a mask around this season, and therefore, if you can't use your Face ID and at the same time can't use your finger, you'll be screwed. So this was the list for the winter essentials for men. And I hope you actually truly appreciated this video and found it useful, because I've got tons of other videos out there on this channel if you would actually like to see it. Anyways, if you want to see more content like this, please consider to hit the subscribe button, and obviously leave a thumbs up if you actually enjoyed this video. With that said, I hope to see you in the other video. Bye bye.